Here's how to fix Alt plus Tab out of game screen turning black delay. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings, then select System from the left-hand menu and then click on Display. Scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Make sure your scale and display resolution are both set to the recommended values shown by Windows. For example, if Windows recommends 125% for the display scale, make sure it's set to 125%. Also, check that your display resolution is set to the recommended resolution for your monitor. Next, scroll down and select Advanced Display. Make sure the correct monitor is selected. Then, scroll down to the Choose a Refresh Rate option. Set your monitor to the highest refresh rate available. For example, if your monitor is currently set to 60 Hz and supports 144 Hz, change it to 144 Hz. You should also make sure that your game's refresh rate matches the refresh rate you've selected in Windows. So if Windows is set to 144 Hz, open your game's graphics or display settings and select 144 Hz there as well. Finally, try running your game in full screen mode instead of windowed or borderless mode. Once you've made these changes, try using Alt plus Tab again to check if the black screen has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.